today, I will teach you how to do a half double crochet, or in patterns, it is abbreviated as HDC, half double crochet. So, always start with a foundation chain. So, what we will do, by the way, I'm using 4-ply yarn, and I think this will be good enough to be using number 6 crochet. So, I'll start with a slip stitch. I'll just do maybe chain 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to do a half double crochet, in your foundation chain, you add 2. Chain 2. And skip the 2 chains, yarn over, and then put your hook on the 3rd chain. Pull the thread. You now have 3 loops in your hook. So, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So, this is a half double crochet. So, one more time. Yarn over. Pull your hook inside the next stitch. Pull through the thread. You now have 3 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. So, yarn over. Put your hook in the stitch. Pull your thread. Yarn over and pull through all. So, you just continue. So, that is how to do a half double crochet. This is how your half double crochet will look like. So, we are using 4-ply yarn, so your half double crochet looks bigger. So, see you again in the next tutorial. Please follow, subscribe, and like my channel, Mom She Brands. Bye for now.